Are you tired of feeling stuck financially and want to find a way to earn extra income without leaving your home? What if I told you there is a simple method to turn your everyday activities into cash? Interact, stick around because in just a few minutes I'm going to show you exactly how you can start making money today. Earning money using the concept of a kick or a strong call to action involves effectively motivating your audience to take actions that can generate revenue for you. Here are several ways to incorporate a kick to earn money, especially in the context of online content creation, marketing, and sales. So, first of all, you can just dive into become a Kick affiliate and enable subscriptions on Kick. So, here we have some information about Kick. First of all, we have how to become an affiliate on Kick.com, how to enable subscriptions, subscriptions on my Kick channel. Updates over a week ago. Affiliates are Kick content creators who have streamed for more than 5 hours and have 75 or more followers. Once you are an affiliate, you can set up your sub button and start receiving revenue from paid subscriptions. So you can check the progress of your affiliate status by logging into your Kick account and heading over to achievements. So once you have reached the minimum requirement, the enable subscription button will become available. So all you have to do is dive into Kick.com. As you can see, this is here we have the link. You can just click over and this is the homepage Kick.com. So as you can see here we have various things like Kick. We have also browse. We have language, category, clips also. You can also search about the video that you want. Also here we have following. You have your categories also, channel, and here we have community guidelines, policy, privacy policy, terms of services, help and support. Then if you want to sign up, all you have to do is click over. We have here sign up, log in, and we have sign up, but I already did that, so you can just click over sign up. It's just here and write your email, your username, then your password, and you confirm the password, then you done with your subscriptions. So this is the homepage. As you can see, this is my account. We have here channel also, as you can see. Also we have here create dashboard. We have channel tools, quick actions, edit stream, channel actions, and if we have here chat also. Then we have here subscriptions, and we have here payment history, payment methods. Also we have here settings. So right now I will show you step by step how to earn money with Kick. So first of all, we have affiliate marketing. So you promote products or services and include a unique affiliate link. When viewers purchase through your link, you earn a commission. Then we have product sales. You can sell physical or digital products such as merchandise, ebooks, courses, or exclusive content. To kick branch viewers to make purchase. Also, we have sponsored content, partner with brands and promote their products or services. The kick encourage viewers to engage with the sponsor, often leading to sales or sign-ups. The fourth one we have donations and crowdfunded funding. How it works: platforms like Patreon, Buy Me a Coffee, or direct PayPal donations allow viewers to financially support creators. The gig encourages contributions by highlighting the benefits or gratitude. The fifth one we have ad revenue. One platform like YouTube, you can earn money through ad revenue. The gig can remind viewers that watching ads helps support your content. The sixth one we have subscriptions and memberships. Offer exclusive content or packs for paid subscribers or members. The gig highlights the benefits of subscribers or joining. Then we have online courses. Charge a fee for access to webinars, workshops, or courses. The kick bound viewers to sign up or register. The last one we have live streams and super chats. So how it works? During live streams, viewers can donate through platforms like YouTubers, super chat with where their messages are highlighted. Then let's give in some tips for an effective kick. So first of all, we have be clear and direct. Clearly state what action you want the audience to take. Then we have create urgency. Use phrases like limited time, exclusive offer, or act now to encourage immediate actions. Then we have highlight benefits, explain what's in it for the audience, whether it's a discount, exclusive content, or supporting a cause. Then the last one we have beginning authenticity, resonates with audiences, so be sincere in your appeals. So earning money on Kick or any similar platform can have several benefits. The first one is the flexibility. Many platforms offer the ability to set your own hours and work from anywhere, which can be ideal for balancing work with other commitments. The first income streams we have by leveraging a platform like Kick, we can diversify your sources of income, reducing reliance on a single job or business venture. Also, we have barrier to entry. Depending on the platform, starting might require minimal upfront investment compared to traditional businesses. And also we have community and networking. You often have the opportunity to connect with a community of like-minded individuals, which can lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and support. Furthermore, we have skill development. Working on such platforms can help you develop valuable skills in areas like digital marketing, content creation, and online engagement. Then we have scalability. Depending on your approach, there might be opportunities to scale your earnings by expanding your reach or diversifying your offerings. Also, we have global reach. Many platforms provide access to a global audience, which can help you grow your presence and revenue beyond local markets. Finally, we have potential for passive income. In some cases, you might be able to create content or set up systems that generate passive income over time. So earning money on platforms like Cake offers flexibility, diverse income streams, and opportunities for skill development. It typically has a low barrier to entry and can provide access to a global audience. This approach can be advantageous for balancing work with other commitments and potentially scaling your earnings over time. However, success often depends on the effort you put in and how well you leverage the platform's features and opportunities. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video.